Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Mazda screen. It's a simple process to get your infotainment system up and running. First, ensure your Mazda vehicle is started, which provides power to the screen. Then, find the volume control knob, usually located conveniently in your center console. A quick press of this knob will illuminate your display, ready for use. Sometimes your Mazda screen might appear blank or unresponsive. Don't worry, it's often an easy fix. First, try pressing the volume knob again, as it also functions as the power button. If that doesn't work, you can perform a soft reset by pressing and holding the volume, back, and navigation buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds. This often resolves minor glitches and brings your display back to life. Once your screen is on, you'll primarily interact with it using the intuitive commander control knob. This knob, located in your center console, allows for easy navigation. Simply rotate it left or right to move the cursor and highlight different options on your display. To make a selection, press down firmly on the knob. You'll also find dedicated shortcut buttons around it for quick access to key functions like home or navigation. To personalize your viewing experience, you can easily adjust your Mazda screen's display settings. Navigate to the Settings menu using your commander knob, then select Display. Here, you can fine-tune the brightness and contrast to your preference. You can also choose between day mode, night mode, or an automatic setting that adjusts based on ambient light, ensuring comfortable viewing at all times.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.